Okay, let's get started. We just need 2 cups of plain flour, 1.5 cup of still water, salt, and a pinch of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Alright, you just need the dough. Okay, once the dough looks very smooth, so just glad wrap it and rest it for another half an hour. For the fillings, we need 500 grams of minced chicken, ginger and garlic, brown onions, and roughly chop some coriander, spring onions, and some chopped chili. What we got here: turmeric, coriander, pinch of cinnamon powder, roasted cumin powder, salt, pepper, and cayenne pepper. Alright, for the soup, all it is called jhol. Need some roughly chopped coriander, some diced brown onions, ginger and garlic, some fresh chilies, 2 cups of water, a few tomatoes, roughly chopped. Spices, we need ground roasted cumin, sesame seeds, and some turmeric powder. Now the dough has been rested almost for 30 minutes. So while doing that, just add a little bit of flour so as it doesn't stick. Alright, they're all inside now and they're ready to be steamed for almost 15 minutes. Add ginger and garlic, a bit of tomato paste. Now add all the spices. A little bit of water to stop it from steaming. So you add the chili, add the chopped tomatoes. Let's put a lid on. Easy. Alright, we just need to check the seasoning. You can just adjust the taste, a little bit of soy sauce. Yum. Let's check the momo now. Oh yes, ready to go. Alright, it's now to plate up. Our little dumplings are ready. It looks delicious. Yum. It's called Jhol Momo. Garnish a little bit with coriander and ready to eat. Bon appetit!